किधर सगळे लोक वांगडा येयल्या सिग्नेचर मारपाक, कित्याक आमी पळयलां की सुभाष वेलिंगकरान जे कमेंट स्टेटमेंट घातला इज नॉट रायट आनी सगळो गोंयभर लोक भायर सरला बिकॉज रिस्पेक्ट ईच वन्स रिलीजन. आमी वी आर नॉट इंटरफियरींग विथ एनी वन बट सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर आमचो साहेब आमी ताका मानता आनी आज न्हू पूण वर्सां जालीं आनी गोंयभरूच न्हू गोंयचे भायर जे लोक हा आनी संवसार लोक भायर हा सगळो लोक मागता सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराक आनी जे तरेन कितें म्हणलां DNA टेस्ट जाय म्हणून आमी क्रिस्तांव जावन आमी रिस्पेक्ट करता आमचे एंड इट्स आवर बिलीफ दॅट वी बिलीव इन सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर. पूण जे कितें घडटा आतां की कोण येता आनी कोण कितें कितें सांगता आनी आमी उबी रावपाचे क्रिस्तांव लोक ताका लागून गोंयभर लोक आतां भायर सरला आनी आतां ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 200 लोक हा सिग्नेचर घेतला फ्रॉम तालिगांव, फ्रॉम पणजे, फ्रॉम दोनापावला, फ्रॉम सगळो लोक जो पणजे आनी तालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी वांगडार घेवन क्रिस्तांव लोक भायर सरला. नॉट ओन्ली क्रिस्तांव लोक जे कोण मानता सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर हिंदू लोक पासून हा आमच्या वांगडार. सो दिस इज टू शो की आनी पळयल्यार जाणटी हा भुरगीं हा जे कोण रेसिडेंट्स हा तालिगांवचे आनी पणजेचे सगळे जाण भायर सरल्या कित्याक इनफ इज इनफ. लास्ट इयर पासून तेणेन आवाज काडला ऑन सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर आमी उबी रावलेली पूण आतां चड जाले ओय की ना चड जाले अँड वी विल नॉट टॉलरेट दिस. And CM also has said in the assembly, do not disrupt the beliefs of other religions. And I think so CM should take action and he should be arrested. Yes. And that is our demand as residents of this place and believe because 3rd of December is not far away. We are all celebrating, going for novenas, we are praying for Saint Francis Xavier. Everyone is going to be coming into Goa. This is one of our tourist destination places also. And to disrespect something like this is not going to be tolerated. Taka lagun last minute ami sogli jan we've done a signature campaign. There are residents who have come together because sometimes we are always at the forefront but today I'm feeling so proud that amche Taligaonche ani Poncheche lok bahir sorla because enough is enough and CM should take action on this and you can't just say things in the assembly but you have to act and show others. Our beliefs in what we believe in the assembly is not right. And to our also elected representatives who are Catholics, we would like you all to calm down. जे आमचे तालिगांवचे आमदार हा आणि पणजेचे आमदार हा तुम्ही सगळा येऊन सपोर्ट करपाक जाय लोकांक because this is our faith and if someone says something wrong you all have to come forward. If you see in south all the elected representatives क्रिस्तांव हा भायर सरल्या so request सगळ्यांक की तुम्ही भायर सरात आणि सपोर्ट करात and to the police please take quick action कित्याक we are not going to stop, we are going to wait here till our FIR is registered right now.
Already the FIR has been registered in here, no? The Bicholi side.
See, everyone is upset. Whether it's Bicholi, whether it is Margaon, whether it is Ponjani Taligaon, we are going to come out and Catholics all over are fed up and we want Velinka to stop this nonsense.
And we are not going to tolerate this. We are not going to tolerate this because we've been waiting for 2-3 days. We are just watching everybody. Everybody's reaction is very bad. We have been hurt badly. We do not talk about any other religion. We respect other religion. Please take a note on this and please arrest him immediately. We want justice for
we
us.
want justice.
We do not ask for any harm for anybody. We want peacefully done and we want it to be done as soon as possible.
So right now
Goa's harmony should not be spoiled. We respect all the other religions also. We keep this in our mind and please go forward and take an action against it immediately.
So right now we are going inside with the signature and then after
आम्ही हिंदू ख्रिस्ती मुस्लिम
मानेना सगळी एक
all one.
विथलो दीस ओके रावल्या सगळी ओके रावल्या तुमको कुछ फायदा and we ask for the justice immediate action to be taken against this Velinka.